Yes, fun food factory food. Boy, fun food. Yo, we are true and authentic out here. Yo, me now waste no time, Today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to make a Jamaican healthy tea and also how to make avocado butter. Like how you have peanut butter, it's not peanut, but it's avocado. Alright, right into it. Avocado butter. So I have my avocado. Some are going. I cut them in half. I take that part off. Yes, I remove the seed. I get a spoon. Come on. Yes, so I have a spoon here and I scoop from the skin and I put it in a bowl there. Yeah, man. Right in a bowl, so. So me go so now. Watch me now. I pay your vibes in this, I pay your vibes in this. Alright, so me remove that the one there. Alright, so me I cut my pears them, avocado. Yeah, man, I'm telling you already, my people. We are going to pear seasoning, so me I show you how to be versatile with avocado. You understand? Cause sometimes some people have a whole lot of pear and don't know what to do with them. So I'm giving you a strategy, and trust me, oh boy, you think I love mango? There is one thing I love more than pear, and it's more pear. I eat pear with pear. Yes, avocado with avocado. And you can see that some of my avocados, they are going bad, but that's a good thing with real foods. They are perishable. That means they go fast. That means you have to eat them. You understand? You can't put them off the store, Yeah, man, and I like it genetically modified foods where you can have your whole heap of preservative or they serve longer. You notice you have some food, I remember I have a kale, a variety of kale where it grows for so long. I realized that it was genetically modified. So see, I'm removing the seeds like that. Yes, put them there in the bin, scoop nicely. I'm removing the flesh. Woo! Yeah. I scoop everything and I put it inside a bowl here. Fun food factory food. Boy! Remove the seed. Scoop. Alright, so I have all my ingredients here. The other ingredients is gonna be onion, escallion, pepper, all from the field, my friend. Avocado paste. I'm gonna put some power on bread. I'm gonna sink my teeth tonight, make you see you see. And a full time me just happy, man. Who know that know by this? When a full time me just happy. I don't know what make me happy so. Like food. Foods are information. Foods are vibration. Wow, these look like they go real bad, but we can't get one little piece out of them. Cause you don't know. Yeah, man, we need to try save them for occasion, you see me? Yeah, man. Try save them for occasion, my people. Whoa, we get a good amount, man. Yeah, man, we go add me scallion and me vanilla. And me lick a piece of your real thing, yo. Me I tell you nothing normal in a daddy. You see me? Yeah, man, how are you, man? Happy your vibes in this, happy your vibes in that. Yo, me tell you, anybody not know about the channel, you. Remember, me tell you, send the video you go give them. Then go tell you no thank you. Then go respect on you here. Remember, me tell you that. Them a video you know for you alone watch. You have to share them video, yeah. Yeah, man, cause them video, oh, yo, you see the tea when me go make? I know go nothing normal, me Jamaican people, cause here I know. One time me usually have one larder bag, one larder bag of tea bag, Me say when me get up in the morning, it feel like somebody beat me with piece or two before. Me say me have to put one stone in the bag and land them a bush. Seal them way And as so comes, me can start get up a morning time and I ask, how will beat me in my sleep? You understand? Peer pain was over my body. Now, you want to see, oh boy, me don't know, hey, we don't want to see the bag. We don't want to see the bag and the big old crate that me have. And box with full of tea bush. Yeah, man, I sow some herbs from the ground, man. I saw my grandpa grow me. I don't know when me come, they go on like me when you used to my hello. I don't see my hello. Not even Christmas. You understand? Not even Christmas. We don't see my hello. Alright, so they want you to go and see me. Alright, good. So see it here. See it here, piece. So you go chop up here. You understand? Preferably one fork would have been better. Let me get one fork there. Yo, me get a fork there. Yo, me get a fork there, me done. Alright, so let's crush up them here. Let's crush up them. You know, make it on paste like. Let's crush up them. Let's crush up them. You know what I mean? Yeah, you know me how. Fun Food Factory food stuff. You crush up them you know. And you refine them you properly you go so. Everything from the farm. See the escallion. You cut up them you fine. Hey, I don't know, but me a man when I love cutting board, you know. I don't know, me just used to the things for me way. But like use me and some people can't do this. Because they will cut them big finger. Like upon for me knife very sharp, but trust me. The cutting board sometimes nah work for me, brother. Nah work for me. But like use me hand. Yeah man, me kinda bushman cooking style, you know. Alright. After I cut up my scallion them, zine. Alright, so scallion gone in. Now I have the tomato them over here, so let me put them nearer that so you can see them. By the way, let me just start with them. And them here are spinach. Spinach, yeah man. So you leave them big, yeah man, very high in iron, especially for you women. Yeah man want iron too, but then trick on you. So man don't want much. Man don't want the iron that is provided at the pharmacy. That one is heavy laden iron, right? Alright, good. So me I cut up my spinach. A piece we go making, man. And I'm not normal this cinnamon, a power food this. And see we have a bread this, so cause yo, me I tell you say I'm name breadens and bread miggle, you know. Cause you don't know man love bread in a daddy. And that's why I link with my brother them, you know. Yo, daddy. Alright, so tomato. Probably me have to do the tomato pan here, so cause I really want them cut fine, you know. If me have one of them mincer the way in a industrial or commercial restaurant would just mince them, you know, just perfect. But as you know, this is DIY, do it yourself. We don't find no excuse for Fun Food Factory. Factory food for what we are do? We are doing it with way. You understand? Yeah man. Our way is the way. You understand? Yeah. Do it at your home, your way. When you do it here, so you're sure about what you eat. You understand? I'll do one more tomato because for the sense of time, I want to make sure that everything that I'm doing is, you know, colored. You know, no black and white. You see exactly what me I do. You understand? Yes. People, when you do this, you have to watch your finger, them, you know, and teach me this. When I was working overseas and you're cutting, you fold your fingers so that, because most time when you cut, and your finger head, them you cut off. So when you're cutting, I hope you can see me do like this. That means you have no chance of cutting your finger head. Right? I hope somebody learned something today. Nice. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so we put them there in there, so we pop them the next country pepper. I don't know if you like pepper like me, but I use up to the seeds. But these are young peppers. They are hot, but I use the younger ones that are more succulent. They work for me, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna do 3. So this is 2. I'm gonna do 2 more. I'm gonna do 4. Yeah, I like when my things are pickled. You know, now that I realize and learned that pepper releases endomorphin, which is a happy hormone. So you actually can eat pepper and get happy. And them never teach you, them a sit there, you know, then tell us when you eat pepper you're miserable. Because they don't want you eat the pepper. Trick them a trick on them. Boy, me I tell you, mental slavery is a mother. You know, I don't want to say that. Alright, watch me now. Onion me have you now. Onion. Now see me do my onion one different way. Some people cut them longitudinal. Me do things my way, you know. If you tell the real truth, I do things my way. I do things my way. Alright. So me I cut up onion, you know. I try and mince it up as fine as possible. Alright. Onion really pan, you know, happy your vibes in this. Yo people, yo the pace you now go normal. Hey. Pace you now go normal, people. So me I tell you say, I don't love cutting board, you know. I say me have to take up my finger. Always me I cut, me still afraid of my finger. Always me I bend my finger. And learn the way how them teach. You understand? Me still afraid of my people. So my finger about pepper. Chop. Alright. Good. So me put that in. Me take my grater and me put a little bit of nutmeg. Me grate a little bit of nutmeg. If you have a little spicy. Alright, so little nutmeg over there, so. Alright. Put on back my nutmeg now. Alright, everything going in. Yeah, that look like it. So me stir now. Oh, me left out my pink Himalayan salt. Yeah man, the best salt is these are the black salt. Pink Himalayan salt. Yeah man, give it a little taste, you know. Yeah, the salt is not so strong as the other bleach white salt that they give you. That is not good for you. Alright. Good. So me mix up them, you know, happy your vibes in this, happy your vibes in this. Yo, people, me want you looking at it. See it here? This is avocado butter. Very nice to serve with all your snacks. Biscuit, your bread. See it here? Alright. Me mix up and me stir. See it there? Ah boy, me have to do one bread, you know, because me can't look on this. Me have to do one hush. Me have to do one sandwich, people. Hush. Me have to do it. Me can't just allow uno to just watch me and uno mouth around loco for me food. You understand? Alright. Alright. So see it there now? Woo! No peanut butter, no bad stuff. Fun food factory, factory food. Why? Mm, 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 mm. All right. Let me cover this up. Nobody now get none. Nah, give you none. Well, you not get none. You're too craving. You're too poison. Alright. So, this is how you make a Jamaican healthy tea. The healthiest tea you ever going to make in your life. First, we make peppermint. Everything already washed and quail. Alright. Put that in a kettle. Still more peppermint. Peppermint. This is the same peppermint that they put in a bottle. Lord jeez, let me see if I find it. See it here? An extract or preservative to it. Well, me want the raw bush. Me don't want them to do it for me. Sorry. Me just have this because I had a visitor and they bring it. Good. Alright. You want me have before done. Next, we have ginger. Alright. But anyway, ginger, the ginger was already grated in water. So me pour in a kettle. Alright. Next you have lemongrass. In Jamaica they call it fever grass. It quail also. Why we quail bush is simply because all herbs carry toxin. And some of these toxins are very, what should I say, toxic for our stomach. It can cause stomach burn, and it also can, what should I say, destroy the stomach wall or damage the stomach wall. So we put them in a sun for quail. Alright, good. Next ingredients, one of the top bush in the world that is we're good for over 1,000 ailments. It's called Guinean weed, and I'm using both chops, leaf and stem, and also root, because my grandfather, Dr. Houghton Alexander Carey, which was a bush doctor and a farmer in a Springfield, Barnet Bush, St. James, Jamaica, WI, he have taught me that if the plant take the substance, every substance or every nutrient pass through the root, why would you want to boil the stem, the leaves, and not the root? So come on, grandpa. Alright, good. So next what we do, we add water. Any amount of water you want. If you're craving like me, we have one big cup. I'm going to show you my tea cup. The last time somebody come visit me and they see my tea cup, they ask me for porridge bowl this. See it here? My grandpa teach me say, man fi drink whole heap of tea. You see it? It's almost a bowl. This bowl cannot compare to it. You see? Good. Yes. When I hold it in the middle of my palms, there are barely any space. Good. And my hands are big. So I cover up that, I lock that. I'm going to put it on the stove. And I make it come to a boil. Then I strain and I sweeten. I don't use white sugar. White sugar, granulated sugar, destroy your bones. And they bleach it. Nothing is in it for you. So I use cane sugar at the moment. And don't use too much sugar. It's better to use natural sweeteners like dates. I don't remember that word. Agave. I don't remember agave plant syrup. Yeah, you have a few. You understand? So you make that come to a boil, and that is how you make a Jamaican tea. Yes, a healthy Jamaican tea. And as usual, my water throughout the day is lime squeeze with the skin inside, because the rind of the lime cleanse the stomach. So you should not squeeze and throw away the skin. The skin must go in our water, my people. And I have here also sea moss. and also flaxseed because I'm working on my joints, my bones, my teeth, my ear, everything in my body that has to do with frequency. Right, I'm strengthening those at the moment. So this is my daily water. I hope someone have something. Me can't wait for done the video. You have to tap it chatting with and go line up some more sandwich and make me tea. So it was nice to have you on Fun Food Factory, Factory Food. What? Fun Food Factory, Factory Food. Yeah. Fun Food Factory, Factory Food. Me. You understand? Yeah, man. So if you're not subscribed yet, I think that I earn your subscription from this video. Yo, big up on the rat itself, yeah man, alright, yes sir, in a J with there. And guess what? We are doing edification. What is edible is also an education. It's your mind attached to your gut. Yes, that is why you get a gut feeling that this food is carrying you down. Yo, big up on yourself and thanks for having you. It's your boy, Fun Food Factory, Factory Food Fun. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Chica, I love you all.